Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain a very simple static analysis that is performed in the Solidworks. Okay, let's get into the video. I'm going to select the front plane and click on sketch, and I'm going to draw quickly a rectangle with any dimensions and use the extrude command to extrude it to a value of 10. And quickly I'm going to select the simulation tab, and here many of the features are grayed out. And from the drop down list I'm going to select a new study, and here it shows a list of analysis which is performed in the Solidworks. Currently I'm going to select the static analysis, which is a structural analysis, and then give check mark to it. And the next step is I'm going to apply the material. Select the apply material option, and here I'm going to select any material. So let me select this AISI 304, and then click on apply and close. And in the fixture advisor, from the drop down list I'm going to select the fixed geometry, and I'm going to select this face such that this face is fixed as shown in the example here. Here I'm going to apply the load and make a static analysis. Here you have the other options such as roller, slider or fixed hinge. So I'm going to give check mark to it, and now I'm going to apply the external force on the top surface of it. Select the force command, and I'm going to select this top surface here. And now my forces are acting perpendicular to the surface which I have selected, and this is an SI unit. If you want to reverse this, use this reverse direction command. So let me enter a value of force of 50 Newton and then give a check mark to it. And I have successfully applied the fixtures and the loads on it. Now I'm going to select the run command to run this one. And now my solver is completed, and it shows the 1 meter stress. So if I want to animate this, select the plot tools, and here I'm going to select the animate command. And now it shows the deformed results after I have applied a load of 50 Newton on the top surface with one end is fixed. And then let me close this one, and if I want to know the stress value, displacement and strain and factor of safety, select the result advisor and select new plot and then select anyone. And in the upcoming videos I will explain the other analysis which is performed in the Solidworks. So thank you for watching.